Welcome to the Durkin workshop. This is the newest member of the workshop and it's working right now. This is the Bambu Lab A1 printer combo that I got last week, and I'm just now starting to have a chance to goof around with it. I had to assemble the whole thing, and I've been kind of printing on and off ever since and making a lot of mistakes, but also doing a lot of great stuff too. I can show you what I've done so far. This is the little boat that comes with the software, and it turned out pretty good. Can you see that? This is a little guy. The next thing I printed, I wanted to see it print multiple colors and have some joints and articulation. So this is a little kitty cat, because my boys love kitty cats, and you can see that it prints this. It prints these little joints right in there. You don't have to assemble this. It comes just like this. The third thing I printed was, get out of here guys. The third thing I printed was the Gonzo fertility idol that it's based off of Palisades Toys Gonzo for their Adventure Kermit, their kind of Indiana Jones Kermit. I made one of my own when I sculpted in Nomad Sculpt the Indiana Jones Kermit, and I had this as its little idol. I'm gonna modify this a little bit and make it bigger and gold plate it. I think it'd be really cool to see that. The fourth thing I printed was in Nomad Sculpt I did a Christmas dragon in a wreath, and I think what happened was I pulled it off of the plate too soon after it was done, and I ripped off the back of his head. So there's supposed to be a back of his head and some horns that go back there. So but otherwise he printed really well. Even that little tail there, it turned out great. Little spikes. There's some problems, you know, that I got to work out still. The fifth thing I printed was the Jim Henson statue that's at the University of Maryland. And you can see there's some issues there with Kermit and some support issues, maybe the size of the nozzle that I'm using. I ordered some smaller nozzles, and I guess the biggest thing is I just have to be patient, because I want to poke at it, and I just got to give it time to just do its thing. So I'll let you know how I'm printing him big. This is the biggest print that I've done so far. He's going to be huge. He's going to be a big boy, but I wanted to see. Right now I'm just experimenting, so I want to see how big I can make things, and I'll let you know.